Chicken deviled eggs recipe. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1 cup cooked chicken, shredded. Rotisserie chicken works great. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Paprika for garnish and chives or parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions: boil the eggs. Place the eggs in a pot and cover them with water. Bring to a boil, then cover and remove from heat. Let sit for 12 minutes. Afterward, transfer the eggs to an ice bath to cool for about 5 minutes. Peel and slice them in half lengthwise. Prepare the filling. In a bowl, scoop out the yolks and mash them with a fork. Add the shredded chicken, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until smooth and well combined. Fill the egg spoon or pipe the chicken mixture back into the egg white halves. Garnish, sprinkle with paprika and add chopped chives or parsley if desired. Serve. Enjoy your chicken deviled eggs chilled or at room temperature. Feel free to customize the filling with your favorite spices or add-ins.